Pradeep Sangwan is on a mission to clear the Himalayas of the waste left behind by tourists. With this aim, he established Healing Himalayas Foundation 6 years ago. His foundation has set up 5 material recovery facilities in Himachal Pradesh for the mission. Approximately, we collect about 1.5 tons of non-biodegradable waste on a daily basis in all 5 facilities, which otherwise would have been landfilled or burned in open air, says 37-year-old Sangwan, a native of Haryana's Gurugram who was praised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his Mann Ki Baat address in December 2020.